Why the Boeing 747 is becoming obsolete in modern aviation. The Boeing 747's fuel efficiency is significantly lower than newer aircraft, impacting operating costs. Passenger demand has shifted towards smaller, more efficient planes for shorter routes and regional travel. Airlines are adopting flexible strategies, preferring versatile aircraft over large, specialized models like the 747. Global events, such as pandemics, have accelerated the need for cost-effective and adaptable airline operations. Technological advancements allow airlines to optimize routes, making smaller planes more desirable than jumbo jets. Stay updated on aviation trends by subscribing to our channel.